Sometimes life takes you full circle. I just returned from the 3rd annual Hog Roast at BIGA, B-I-G-A, in downtown San Diego. An unexpected treat in the 8-course foodie spectacular was watching chef-owner Tae Dickey prepare his weekly Porchetta Roll, the savory, fatty, and moist boneless pork roast of Italian culinary tradition. And that is where the circle connected. Several months ago, I visited family friends who run a pig farm. Retired from sea urchin diving, Bruce Steele and his wife Diane now raise Mangalitsa hogs near Buellton, California. I had a chance to chuck organic ugly fruit and vegetables to the squealing pigs. Several piglets escaped and snuck up on me before running back to their mama. And the pigs roam in large corrals, famously growing the long fur that kept them warm in Hungarian winters. They were first raised in Europe for their lard, and today, while all things bacon are popular, Mangalista Pigs are more prized than ever. Back in San Diego, Chef Tae at BIGA introduced his foodie fans to the porchetta process he's perfected, and every Saturday the restaurant serves this rare dish.
The Italians, they're a little hard-headed, so they'll tell you take a mallet or a paillard and beat the hell out of that skin. There's a much better way to do it. So what we do is take the skin, we pound it a little bit, doesn't need that much, but we take baking soda. Okay? Any of you guys can think back to the chemistry class in your high school? What baking soda does, it's a natural tenderizer. Okay, it's a meat tenderizer. But you can't use it by itself without washing it off. Okay, so I'll just kind of wipe that off. I'll be impressed. So, we're gonna, these are greens. Now, Carlos worked in Texas for a while. So, there's a bay leaf in there. There's another one. Okay. We're gonna pinch it in there, get it tucked in and pinched in there. Okay. Get all the filling. Okay. Now, we're gonna space these every 2 inches apart.
And the rest of the afternoon rolled from one small plate to another as 6 chefs used the pork in each delectable dish. Not much can beat great company, fine food, and drink. And BIGA is at the corner of 6th Avenue and Broadway in downtown San Diego. Don't wait for the next anniversary to visit. And those Mangalista pigs, they can be found at Winfield Farm or order the products online at winfieldfarm.us. I'm Elaine Masters. Tell me what you think, leave a comment, and subscribe to my travel and food channel on YouTube. Buono appetito!